In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete a now on TikTok. Now is a feature on TikTok which is similar to BeReal, where you can take only a single picture a day. But however, with the recent update of TikTok, the now has been removed from the TikTok interface. Previously, you could see the now feature right here on the friends section, and you would be able to see all of the nows that other people have added in or your friends have added in. But however, this is not possible right now. In that case, you need to download the separate application of TikTok Now. You can easily find this application on the Play Store and the App Store. Just download it and log into your account using your TikTok ID. Once you open up the app, you'll see the now that you've posted on the top. To delete it, just tap open the photo that you've posted in and tap on the three dots on the top right, and you'll have an option of delete right here. Tap on the delete option and you'll have two options, either to delete and take a new now or to only delete it. Tap on the delete option and there you go, your now has been removed from TikTok. So that was the process of deleting a now on TikTok. Give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'll be back soon with more informative videos. Thanks for watching.